Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hugging Face for model training automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type huggingface.co and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a new page. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up link instead. Fill out the required fields to create your new account. After signing up, check your email for a verification link. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Hugging Face website. Click the Login button again and enter your credentials. Now that you are logged in, you can access the model training tools. Explore the options available on your dashboard. To start a new project, click on the New Project button. Follow the prompts to set up your model training automation. Make sure to connect any necessary datasets before starting the training process. Check the documentation for best practices and troubleshooting tips. Congratulations, you're now ready to automate model training on Hugging Face. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.